My name is Michael Cooper. I sought the help of Max Score Credit to purchase my new home. With the help of Shivani from Max Score Credit, my credit score went up 300 points. And in 2.5 months, they took my score from 501 to 680 and had 34 items deleted. So I was able to apply for a home loan. And every month we do meetings and help me add positive credit. I was able to get 2 Capital One credit cards and a Finger Hut card. The program was very good and helpful, and I will be using it for my wife in the next 2 months. I recommend the program to everyone. We were able to purchase this house because of my credit increase with the help of Shivani, and it's nice.
Thank you, Max Score Credit.